Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus 15R and let me share with you how to fix up crashing. So let's find the app which is crashing, tap on it and hold it, and then tap on more features. Then go to app info, and the first thing I highly recommend to do is to go to storage usage and tap on clear cache. Cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. Moreover, sometimes they can interfere. So first of all, clear cache, and then tap on force stop, which is right here. Tap on force stop, and thanks to this operation your device will turn off the app if it is running in the background. Sometimes if it is opened, it is impossible to reopen it, and after that you can try to open the app. If that didn't work, I highly recommend to repeat the steps and try to power off and then power on your device again to kind of confirm all of the changes. If that didn't work, I highly recommend to check for the updates. So let's go to the Play Store. Of course, you need the internet connection and you need to be logged in. You can check our tutorial how to do it. So the option add or remove a Google account in this specific device. And after entering, simply enter the name of the app which is causing you some problems. Right here we've got the results, and if the update is available, your device will show it right here. So you will have this update button. So I highly recommend to tap on it and update the app. If that didn't work, I highly recommend to come back to this section. Tap on the app and then tap on uninstall. Why? Because the previous option required overwriting the new version over the older one, and that operation also might cause some problems. So let's go to uninstall it, and after tapping on install again, after this full process, your device will download and install the newest version directly, and it will fix the issues. If we are talking about the updates, I also highly recommend to go to the settings. Then let's scroll all the way down and find System and Update, and tap on Software Update at the top and check for the software updates. If you've got any kind of update here, I highly recommend to download it and install. It is not only because sometimes the older system versions might have problems with new apps, but also for the security. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.